Want to stay healthy? Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more such videos in the future.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sarthar and I am a trauma specialist. Today I would be discussing about why it is very important to maintain a regular blood pressure level, and also why it is so important that you measure your blood pressure levels regularly. So keep watching. Hey, do you know what is the normal blood pressure level? According to JCI, the Joint Committee of India, they recommend that the normal blood pressure levels should be around, the upper level is 120 to 140 and the lower level is 80 to 90. If it goes beyond that, then you are having a high blood pressure. So it is very important after a certain age especially that you monitor your blood pressures on a regular basis. Nowadays, blood pressure monitors, digital monitors are easily available in the market in any pharmacy, and they are quite cheap. They range from around 1200 rupees to 2500, and you can keep them at your home, and whenever you are feeling fatigued, you are getting dizzy, you are getting a continuous headache which is not going after even taking painkillers, then it is advisable to monitor and check your blood pressure. Sometimes low blood pressure can cause dizziness, sometimes high blood pressure can also cause dizziness. So it is always good that you should know your blood pressure levels, after which you can connect with your doctor and you can tell them that these are the readings of my blood pressure levels. So why it is important that the blood pressure should stay in control and should not exceed the ranges of 140 and 90? Because you see, when the blood pressure starts rising, it is basically the blood which is exerting pressure on your blood vessels that is flowing throughout your body, and it is pumping. The heart is beating, the blood is flowing in a rush. It is going to the brains, it is going to the legs, everywhere it is flowing very, very fast with a high pressure. And this pressure, if the blood vessels are unable to withstand, especially in our brains, the arteries, the vessels are very thin so that the blood reaches every part of our brain. In that scenario, when blood pressure rises beyond 200, there have been cases and it is almost certain that a person may get stroke. Yes. Stroke means there is bleeding inside the brain, there is a hemorrhage, the blood starts flowing directly and it fills our skull, and that causes further increase in pressure inside the brain and it starts pushing the brain. In that scenario, a person gets paralysis. Yes, this is what a paralysis attack due to a stroke is. When there is a stroke in the brain, the part of the brain that is affected, the opposite part of the body gets paralyzed. It is very common with hypertensive patients. So I would always suggest that you regularly monitor your blood pressure. If anyone in your family has high blood pressure, especially your parents, then you may or may not get it. But then you should always be aware, you should monitor, and that will help you lead a healthy and safe life. If there is high blood pressure, it needs medication, but if it is borderline, then it is always advisable that you keep it at bay by little bit of exercising regularly. Light exercise keeps the body active and the blood flow is smooth. So little bit of jogging, light exercise, and also maintaining a lifestyle. Lifestyle modifications like one is exercise, then low salt diet is advisable. You should not take high or extra salt in your food because as the salt amount increases, the blood pressure increases. So other than that, you should stay active, do not stay lying around all day, don't become a couch potato. So these kind of lifestyle modifications will definitely help you keep the blood pressure at normal range. Drink plenty of water. That is also very, very important. Water hydrates our body and it not only keeps the blood pressure normal but also helps our body in lot of different ways. This is why you should monitor your blood pressure regularly. To know more, comment below in my YouTube channel. If you like the video, do subscribe and keep watching.